Hey, sister. She harvesting this mullein. We're going in and make some tea.
Yes, some mullein tea, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some butterfly
So healthy,
flowers.
beautiful.
Aren't they though? They just gorgeous. I mean, just beautiful. I'm looking to see if they ever gonna flower, but it ain't gonna bother me if they don't. Yeah. All right. You got it, sis?
Yes.
All right, guys. It feels good out here, though. It's windy. Yeah. The sun is here. But this is my little potato with the peekaboo slot at the bottom, right? And these are those white potatoes. They're really growing in there. You see those? I don't know if you can see that. Wait a minute. There we go. They're down there growing. But they have overgrown the bag, which is the bag is really tall. I think this is a 10-gallon, I think. And I'm going to put more soil in it. I'm healing it up for the last time. I'm going to try to get it all the way up to the top. And then we're going to let her just grow, right? So I did this for DORSHA, JUST DORSHA. So I rolled up the bag because the plants just grew really tall, and I healed it up one time, and now I'm healing it up again because they are growing beautifully in here. So there we go. We're gonna get this all up. So I'm looking at this back here, y'all. So even if you cover up some of the leaves, which I'm gonna cover up those bottom leaves, it's okay. It's okay to cover them up. They will find their way out of the soil, baby. They will. You just go ahead on and cover those leaves up down there. And I'm going to show you the ones at the bottom, like this one. I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to cover it up with soil, but don't worry. She will grow back, and you will see her. She's going to come up from that soil, just like Lazarus. She going to rise, baby. Good morning to you all. I hope you all having a beautiful morning. And so this is just some compost, peat moss. That's all this is. That's all. And it's just some used soil I had, right? So now I'm just filling this up all the way to the rim, and there it is, y'all. Now, the ones that was in the middle, I've covered. And I will keep you updated, so you will see it doesn't matter if you cover it up. They will find their way up out of the soil. Yeah, they will. And now I'm going to give it some water and just let these potatoes enjoy this beautiful day. All right, guys. All right, y'all, my little sister got a half of this cabbage.
Yes.
We're going to get this cabbage for her. Let's see. Let's go here. Jeez. This girl is in here, huh? There she is. Whoa, big mama.
Yeah. How far we going?
That's it. Yeah, how far we going, baby? All right. Whoa. All right.
Yes.
Awesome, baby.
So what you do with all this?
I'm gonna put that in my super juice, baby.
Okay.
Good morning, family. This is Linda. So I'm over here by my plantains. I'm just checking them out, right? If you don't know that I did chop them all down. You can see where I chopped them all down. But this is something I've seen this morning. Listen, family. I have never, ever seen anything like this before. And when I say never, I mean never. So I was checking these. You can see where I cut them all down and they're growing. But this is what I saw this morning. What the? This is where it's coming from. And this is it. My goodness, girl, what are you doing? That's what she's doing, y'all. This, y'all. Never, ever seen anything like that. But that's her. Wow. And I mean, wow. Oh. Yo, I'm just blown away. All right, guys, let me go. Let me go. Well, there she is. And she's fully formed. And she has lots of, wait a minute, I can't see y'all. Oh, there we go. She has lots of plantains. But that's the way she looked coming out of the plant. Wow.